the powerful tool for customized production. Stably supported by a main beam. Maximum print width of 2,500 millimeters for a single sheet. The secret to high speed. Stable output of 800 square meters per hour lies in precision machining. The main beam assembly holes are machined to a precision of 60 mu, ensuring the precise mechanical components and control system of the guide rails fit perfectly with the main beam during installation. Piezoelectric high-precision printheads with a plus or minus 0.01 millimeters printhead base plate hole position accuracy. Ensure accurate printhead placement, ensuring every drop of ink lands precisely. HF2516. Flexible printing, rapid delivery.